Alright guys, so day 2, we're about to go get some food. Lance is in the bathroom. He came late last night, or early in the morning I should say, about 4 something in the morning. Siobhan got out the shower. I showered out in the outside shower, and Lance is in the inside one right now. So we're waiting on him, and then we're gonna get some food and, you know, try to get into some other things for the day. I want us to do an excursion and go to the island Saona again. I went there the first time I ever came to this country, and it was a beautiful experience. So we're gonna see if we can do that. I actually found some information about it using Airbnb. So we're gonna see, man. And I'm tired of these huge lizards out here messing up the vibes outside, man. Absolutely crazy. Look at one creeping up the pole right now. It's crazy. Look at that, man. Look who finally came, you know what I mean?
Finally make it, that's it. Them couldn't do it without me, you know. So we're not for there. That's it. So now, this is my first day. You see me, I say? Yeah, I couldn't see me, because even when I try, you see it, we're not even going to take on nobody, you know, not even say nothing. Big up people.
Let's go, man. We about to get some food. You're there in the door. Finally about to go get some food.
Yeah. Them taste like.
I'm pretty about iguana.
Some bad piece of iguana, I know that. What do you want, I tell you, man.
Alright guys, so we got a little walk. Man, go get some food.
Western Union.
Is it, man? Lance and Juan got a Western Union.
You know,
he want to go exchange some currency like today again. Yo, but we're actually going past the same place where we exchanged the money yesterday.
I've been spent local, we feel like a local. In America.
Made a pit stop in this nice little store. You ready now? You ready?
Which pit stop?
This?
We just look. Sorry.
Yo, going down this road is crazy, man. It's literally like a hill. Steep as heck, guys. Super steep. So much life around here, though. That's what I love about being in this country. There's a lot of life. So it's a Lantel, your first time on this trip. How you feel?
First time on this trip. Nah, strip though. First time nice.
About to go get some money exchange for this guy, man. Alright guys, so Lance is getting his money exchange, and I just seen this store about manga. You know, I love anime, man, so it's pretty dope, this store right here. I never even seen this before.
Oh, it's a bookstore.
Yeah, manga, Astro, all type of stuff there. That's dope.
I figured so.
That's cool to walk under a tree like that. That's absolutely cool. Oh, not that one.
Another subject. Yo, out there, Jamaica parade.
Let's do this tripper, man. We got like a good 5 more minutes until we get to the place. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
2 minutes, kid say you are 3 minutes ago, you know. No, I'm tell me say 5 minutes now. Me and my brother are one. That me I tell him.
Soon no, man. Let's see what I go and do next. Anything you want, man. Alright guys, we're still a walk. But look at this. Purple building.
I want to go over my road.
We definitely hungry, man. We almost there. Alright guys, so we just pulling up to the restaurant now. I'm saying pulling up like we driving, but I think this is it. I think. Hopefully Google Maps is right, and it do look like it. Hit this, man. Hola. Place look nice. Right, this one? Alright. truck is nice. About to look at the menu, and Ruth is somewhere here. So we're gonna see her in a moment. My amigo Ruth. All right, vlog. So this is Ruth. Say hello. And she's you know, giving us some advice on what to get. The food is just coming. Look at that.
Excuse me.
Yeah. Hey. Gosh, yeah. Where you look better than mine. Alright, listen guys. This food is absolutely great at this place. I'm gonna leave the address. So if anyone want to find out about it, you guys can come here. This is some really good food. I even had to order some more food. Even Siobhan liking his food. What you say? I love it.
It's nice, man. It's like I just made my own pot of food, man.
Dog have him own pot.
Own pot of food.
Watch out. Watch out.
Share my own food.
Pot. That's not normal.
Alright, so we got done eating. You know, this place, I'm definitely gonna put it in the description. You see me? Because the food, literally a 10 out of 10. What you have as a Siobhan? Food. Rate the food.
That was amazing, man. She had to bring some on for later, and I wasn't even full yet. Just to make sure I got more.
The food was absolutely incredible, man. This place is good. You see they got security. You know, it's good. You can't beat that, man. Can't beat that. I was saying, like, imagine if I owned a place like right over here. It's absolutely dope, man. It's dope.
But more wait if we can't hold the rifle, we don't want to take a picture with it.
This dude is tripping, man. This dude is bugging.
Yo. Bumbuck. We can't go spot it. Tell me if I'm doing now. I'm not who we see now.
Our Uber is here. What in front of Lance? Gracias, mi amigo. Just got out the Uber, about to go in the store, get some baby lotion or... I just need some lotion, guys. Yeah, I need some, because I forgot to pack lotion, so I need some. So we in the store right now. Alright guys, so we just came into this grocery store, trying to get some agua, some water. Right there, wait.
Wait for what?
Cause the man said wait, they can't go about this. So, oh, brother. We in a grocery store, man. Trying to get some agua. We need the case.
Buying a cigar, fam.
So we heading back to the room right now, man.
It's a kid that bring me
gotta get water because last night we was dying for thirst.
Kid bring me
so
on vacation.
See that water.
Kid bring me on vacation. Kid don't make a rent no car, you know. And I go fight kid, you know. But I lucky thing me now walk far.
Yes, so no. I look at Chevy over there, so I move like you want to steer pan on the wall, sit down. What's going on, vlog? So we're just walking back to the room right now.
You know what I mean?
Doing it for the vlog. You know, you gotta get some exercise in, you know?
I have to get some exercise. So I'll carry that little 6 case of water there. Up that little minor hill there. You see?
You guys see this? Literally going uphill, man.
In beer, I do look with our work. In beer, I do look with our work. Hey, go to your left. Go to your left. I can't look here with a little bit of water where you carry, you know. You look at 6 case. You look at 6 buckle of water in our case. 3 man. 3 man come here, sweat, man. Slash here, you know. Nice to walk still, you see it? You have a fit. You have a fit like a fiddle, you know. Go on, man. Watch your boss, man. Hey, boss, come on, some bad dance today. Hey, boss, don't dance, you know. Hey, boss, don't bad dance, you know.
What are the man food drop out there?
Bumbleclot! Yeah, me kill a bag bus and me kill a don't even know. You want like that cow food shop. You're good. You're not nice. You have to get something. Yo! Yo, the dog lift up the bag. and the biggest piece of cow foot drop out. I fuck with that. You put down a plate, but I guess because it wet, it a swing. Then it wet the bag and then, you know, dry up the bag from. Shit. Alright, that's the upstairs the dog. But that batty man I come like road for man. Hey man, I have to call police spot here, you know.
Contact with the police, yo. Police, yo.
Police? Policia. Policia.
Policiaga, man.
Policiaga. Balenciaga. Yo.